Lesson 16 Microorganisms. Introduction. Microorganisms are very small size that they cannot be seen through naked eye. These organisms can be seen only with the help of a microscope. Therefore, they are also known as microbes. The science that deals with the study of microorganisms is known as microbiology. Microorganisms are found everywhere. They are found in air, water, ponds, lakes, rivers and oceans, soil and even inside our bodies. They remain inactive under unfavorable conditions and become active during favorable conditions. Microorganisms can be studied under 5 categories. They are virus, bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa. Let us study about them in detail. Virus. A virus is a tiny particle made up of genetic material and protein. They are intermediate between living and non-living things. Virus means poison in Latin. Viruses are intracellular obligatory parasites. The study of virus is called virology. Viruses are 10,000 times smaller than bacteria. Viruses have different shapes. They can be rod shaped, spherical or of other shapes. Structure of virus. A virus contains a core DNA or RNA. Surrounding that core is a protein coat. In some viruses, the protein coat is covered by an envelope made up of proteins, lipids and carbohydrates. These envelopes have spikes that help the virus particles attach to the host cells. Viruses cause many diseases to plants, animals and human beings. Characteristics of virus. Viruses show both living and non-living characters. Living characters, they respond to heat, chemicals and radiations. They reproduce inside the host cell and produce copies of themselves. Non-living characters, they are inactive when present freely in the environment. They can be crystallized and stored for a very long time like other non-living things. Bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled prokaryotes, cells without nuclei. They are considered to be the first living organisms on earth. Bacteria are grouped under the kingdom Monera. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology. The size of the bacteria ranges from 1 micrometer to 5 micrometer. Bacteria are of two types based on respiration. They are aerobic bacteria requires oxygen. Anaerobic bacteria does not require oxygen. Cell structure of bacteria. A bacterium has an outer covering known as the cell wall. Nuclear material is represented by a nucleoid without nuclear membrane. An extra chromosomal DNA called plasmid is present in the cytoplasm. Protein synthesis is carried out by 70S ribosomes. Other cell organelles, mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum are absent. Flagella aids in locomotion. Bacteria are classified according to their shape of their cells. They are bacilli. Rod-shaped bacteria, example Bacillus anthracis. Spirilla, spiral-shaped bacteria, example Helicobacter pylori. Cocci, spherical or ball-shaped bacteria. They can stick together in pairs, Diplococcus, or form a chain, Streptococcus, or occur in the bunches, Staphylococcus. Vibrio, comma-shaped bacteria, example Vibrio cholerae. Bacteria are also classified according to the number of arrangement of flagella. They are as follows: Monotrichous, single flagella at one end, example Vibrio cholera. Lophotrichous, tuft of flagella at one end, example Pseudomonas. Amphitrichous, tuft of flagella at both ends, example Rhodospirillum rubrum. Peritrichous, flagella all around, example E. coli. Atrichous, without any flagella, example Corynebacterium diphtheria. Bacteria get their food in many ways. Photosynthetic bacteria make their own food, example cyanobacteria. Bacteria that live in harsh environment use chemicals, ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, to produce their food instead of utilizing energy from the sun. This process is called chemosynthesis. Some bacteria exhibit symbiotic relationship. Example, E. coli lives in the intestine of man. Bacteria reproduces by fission, binary and multiple fission. Fungi. Fungi are a group of eukaryotic organisms that lack chlorophyll. They grow in dark environments. They may be either unicellular, example yeast, or multicellular, example penicillium. They are found in all kinds of habitats. They are included under kingdom fungi. The study of fungi is called mycology. Some fungi are macroscopic, example mushroom. There are around 70,000 species of fungi living in the world. Here we will study about yeast, which is a unicellular fungi. You will study about multicellular fungi elaborately in chapter 17. Cell structure of yeast. Yeast are found freely in the atmosphere. Yeast grows in all kinds of media containing sugar. The cell is ovoid in shape, containing cell wall and a nucleus. The cytoplasm is granular and has vacuoles, organelles and glycogen and oil globules. Yeast aids in fermentation with the help of enzyme zymase. It respires anaerobically and reproduces by budding. Algae. Algae are very simple plant-like eukaryotic organism. They are found in moist habitats. They are rich in chlorophyll and can be seen as a thin film on the surface of lakes and ponds. Therefore, they are known as grass of water. They are autotrophic and they produce their own food with the help of chloroplast. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll, green pigments, for photosynthesis. The study of algae is called algology or phycology. Their size varies from 1 micron to 50 meter. Algae may be unicellular and microscopic, example Chlamydomonas, or multicellular and macroscopic, example Sargassum. Unicellular algae exhibits variety of shapes, that is spherical, rod, spindle, whereas multicellular algae are in the form of filaments and branches. In this section, we will study about unicellular algae, Chlamydomonas alone. Multicellular algae are explained in detail in the next chapter. Cell structure of Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is a simple unicellular motile freshwater algae. They are oval, spherical and are pyriform in shape. The pyriform pear shape is common one found in ponds, ditches and water tanks. They have a narrow anterior end and a broad posterior end. The cell is surrounded by a thin and firm cell wall made of cellulose. The cytoplasm is seen in between the cell membrane and the chloroplast. The cell contains large dark nucleus lying inside the cavity of the cup-shaped chloroplast. The anterior part of the cell bears two flagella which helps in locomotion. Two contractile vacuoles are seen at the base of each flagellum. The anterior side of the chloroplast contains a tiny red colored eye spot. Chlamydomonas exhibits sexual and asexual modes of reproduction. Today's homework questions. Lesson 16 Microorganisms. Very short answer. Write the name of any nitrogen fixing bacteria. Write the name of any nitrogen fixing bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria. The second question. Name the bacteria used in the production of vinegar. Name the bacteria used in the production of vinegar. Acetobacter bacteria. Acetobacter bacteria. Question number 3. Write the names of any three protozoans. Write the names of any three protozoans. Plasmodium, Paramecium, Euglena. Plasmodium, Paramecium, Euglena. The next question. Who discovered penicillin? Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming. Question number 5. Name any two vaccines. Name any two vaccines. MMR, BCG. MMR, BCG. The second Roman short answer type. Question number 1. Write the 4 types of bacteria based on their shape. Write the 4 types of bacteria based on their shape. Bacilli, rod-shaped bacteria. Bacilli, rod-shaped bacteria. Spirilla, spiral-shaped bacteria. Spirilla, spiral-shaped bacteria. Cocci, spherical or ball bacteria. Cocci, spherical or ball bacteria. Vibrio, comma-shaped bacteria. Vibrio, comma-shaped bacteria. The second question. What are antibiotics? What are antibiotics? The word anti means against. The word anti means against. Antibiotic is a substance. Antibiotic is a substance produced by living organism which is toxic for other organisms. Antibiotic is a substance produced by living organisms which is toxic for other organisms. What are antibiotics? The word anti means against. The antibiotic is a substance produced by living organisms which is toxic for other organisms. The next question. Answer in detail. Answer in detail. Write a short note on bacteria and its structure. Write a short note on bacteria and its structure. Bacteria are single-celled prokaryotic cells. Bacteria are single-celled prokaryotic cells without nuclei. They are considered to be the first living organisms on earth. The first living organisms on earth. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology. The size of bacteria range from 1 micrometer to 5 micrometer. Bacteria are of two types based on respiration. Bacteria are of two types based on respiration. Aerobic bacteria requires oxygen. Anaerobic bacteria does not require oxygen. Aerobic bacteria requires oxygen. Anaerobic bacteria does not require oxygen. A bacterium has an outer covering known as the cell wall. A bacterium has an outer covering known as the cell wall. An extra chromosomal DNA called plasmid. An extra chromosomal DNA called plasmid is present in the cytoplasm. Flagella aids in locomotion. Flagella aids in locomotion.